In this video, I'm going to show you how you can find and use your USDC wallet address using the Kraken phone application. So if you find the video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like it. If you don't have a Kraken account yet, I will leave my referral link and invite code on the description below, where you can get from 20 to 100 euros just by creating your account, doing your first deposit and a trade, which is very simple. You can just trade from one crypto to another, and this way you will get a bonus. As you can see, this is all the money I got from referral codes, and this is just the money I got on the last week. So for example, my last referral got more than 100 euros and it's completely free and it only takes a few minutes. So if you want some extra money, you can create your account using the link in the description below. So firstly, go to Explore right here at the bottom, and then you will need to search for USDC at this top search field. And now just click right here and you should find the deposit button. So if you click on deposit, you will see a list of different networks you can choose. So for example, let's say we want to deposit USDC on the Solana network, which is probably the most common network for this coin. Just click on Solana and you will find some simple instructions. So for this case, I can only deposit USDC from the Solana network. The minimum deposit amount is 40 cents. The processing time for each transaction is less than a minute, and if you want to make sure that everything is correct, you can also try sending smaller amounts first. So just read all of this and click I understand, and now you can see your USDC deposit address. You can copy it by clicking this button, or you can also scan this QR code. So basically this is your wallet address, and you can transfer money from any other crypto wallet or crypto platform just by pasting this address right here. You can also send it to anyone else, so anyone with this address can send you money to your Kraken wallet on USDC. So that's it. That's how you can deposit USDC on Kraken application. I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.